you doing? What's up? Hey,
Today we'll be doing the blindfold challenge. We don't have blindfolds, but we're going to be using this white thing. We can actually have it all out, and then you can have your eyes closed at the same time. We're going to do the blindfold slime challenge, so this is going to be exciting. We're just going to go ahead and put the glue in ahead of time, because we don't have that much glue. We don't have that much glue.
Because we're trying to save this for our mother's house.
Wait a minute. Oh, come on, man.
I don't have to clean out my bowl. Have you seen the bowl? Disgusting.
It's just
2 ounces. Come on. It's good enough.
We're gonna trade bowls or no?
No, we're not gonna trade balls.
Then I'm still creative about it.
Okay, fine. You're not doing the video.
So we still have like a half thing.
For
More
like
than
our
half.
mother's house, like about.
So we're gonna go ahead and put our.
Blindfold on. I'm just gonna mix this into.
We have the activator right here.
This is definitely a lot. It proteins your skin.
I'm gonna go ahead and put the activator right here. So
Like when we need it.
that's more than enough activator, right? So like right there. So we're gonna put our blindfolds on. You want me to tie yours up for you?
Yeah, you tie mine in. Not my nose.
Close your eyes.
I can't.
My sister likes to cheat, y'all. Y'all know my sister likes to cheat.
Huh? I don't like to fail.
Regina,
Okay,
you better not cheat in this video.
I'm not.
Move.
Are you
Put a
okay?
double knot.
Stop! No!
Okay, stop.
Your turn.
Okay, wait.
I don't like having a blindfold on.
Because I cannot see out of this. Oh, wait, I can.
It's just white.
I'm gonna take my glasses off.
Why would you have?
I'm putting this.
You have to think it.
Hold on,
So
wait,
can
yo.
you see it's my glue?
Regina, stop. I'm actually scared.
Fine.
Because you were in the last blindfold challenge. I
No,
was
where's
cheating.
my book?
Regina, where you at? Okay, guys.
Glue hand?
You have a glue hand?
I put my hand in the glue.
Regina, stop.
I don't know where my spoon is.
It's right here, I think. Right here.
Where? Ah! Slime,
Here.
Here. Okay. 3.
So, guys, guess I got my glue in here.
This will be mystery.
I'm finna,
How do you know what everything is? Activator. Where's the
Taking my
coloring?
activator.
I think I'm using this one.
So I'm finna
Tell
put
me
my
what this
activator
one
in.
is
Oh,
down below.
who's here?
We're gonna have dyed hands.
Hold on, wait, guys. We're gonna stop. Someone here? We're gonna put our stuff down.
Oh my goodness!
What the crap is that? Regina! Let's continue with the video. Sit down. Sit down.
Put my blindfold on.
You see?
Yes.
You, gonna continue. You can?
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
Hey.
You see?
No. Okay.
Look
so
at me.
Okay.
Tell the truth, dog.
I
There.
can't. Okay, so let's
We're gonna
mix.
continue.
I'm just mixing because there's
Uh.
glue on my hand. Done mixing.
Okay. I didn't know who that was.
Done. And then now we're gonna do.
I'm gonna add my food coloring.
You already did that your food coloring?
No.
That's your bowl. Hey, where's the activator?
Wait, Regina, you don't put the stereo thing up first.
I did, I think. Spoon, spoon.
Regina,
Where's my spoon? No, for real, for
start
real.
looking around for it.
I can't look. We're using our hands in. Fetch it out, fetch it out, fetch it out, fetch it out. Guys, tell me if that's enough.
Regina, Latrice. Where's your spoon?
Where? You cheating?
Yeah, I just did that so I can give you your stuff.
There we
Now, don't add too much activator now. Don't be wasting my stuff like that.
I'm not. Next, hand and glue. So we might as well don't even use our spoon. She just stole some money. Bow tilted.
So now I need some activator. That a little bit though.
Stop. Was that a little bit? How is my slime? Tell me what color it is. Because I think I know. I think it's blue. But there was some like orange in here, so it might ruin it. Okay. My slime is made.
No, it's not.
When your slime is like glooping up, that means you can take your blindfold off too.
No.
Okay, where's the activator then?
You better not take your blindfold off.
Where's the activator?
I forgot my glasses right here, y'all.
Where's the activator?
Nothing coming out.
I can't wait to edit this video.
For real, where's my activator?
Activator? Oh, it's right here. Ah! Are you doing something creepy?
Regina Latrice.
Why are you quiet then? I'm looking down just to see if like
Regina, what color did you get?
orange.
Hey, bro. You cheating?
No,
You sure?
I'm sure.
Look at me. I can't even see you. It's pure darkness.
You mean whiteness?
It'll be darkness because I have my eyes closed too. You cheating, dog? Are you?
Alright.
Guys, for some reason I keep calling everybody dog.
My slime! Oh, it's still alive. It's still alive. It's still alive.
I think my slime is ready. I'm taking my blindfold off. Cause tomorrow's the last day for our summer camp,
I'm
and
gonna go see that.
we can bring our phones to take pictures.
I see you right there. Your
'Cause I took
whiteness.
I took off my blindfold because mine is ready.
Are you still needing it? You can't do that.
Yes.
How did you get brown?
I don't got brown.
What color did you get?
Mine turned out to be pink.
So did you use red?
Yes. Move, dog. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe
I'm
on
not
this
done.
video.
That's not the outro. Okay, I think I'm still not ready. Let me make sure I get on that exit.
So, my grandfather really thought that I brought this.
Take it off.
You got what you thought it was.
I thought it was orange.
Guys, I made 3 slimes today.
You made
We made 3 slimes.
today. So this one's my first, last one. So I don't want this one because for some reason it has color in it. Can I dye this, re-dye this?
No, Regina, because it's already dark color.
Yeah, but you can dye it another dark color.
No, you can't.
My skin turns purple. Can't you see that?
And what container am I finna put this on?
May I please just try, attempt, like a little droplet?
No, Regina.
Please?
Because it's not gonna work like that.
So this is my first slime that I made. Was a
So I'm gonna make.
blue with filling, which I named this ocean blue. What's mommy's favorite color?
Pink and purple.
I did blue. Okay. Okay, so that's the first slime. The second slime I made was a dark colored and giving it to my brother.
Who?
This orange.
Your brother.
It's technically brown. Can't you tell? It's brown.
What brother? Me or
It's a tan.
baby
Here you go.
brother?
Here you go. And the
Oh,
last
you don't
one
want
I
that one
made
either?
Was a
Yeah, I'm finna. I really don't
blue
want to mess
slime.
up this slime.
And I really wish I had a different
I'm finna
color
take
because I have 2 blues.
the rest of this. I'm finna take. Fill this up with this blue slime because, honey, I just don't want to
No,
mess it up.
honey, baby boy,
Baby girl.
baby girl. What's your number? I'm gonna get that number. I'm gonna be eating.
Well, I just made this
all.
slime. This is small. Oh. I'm finna say I just made a small slime.
Baby girl, what's that number? I want that number.
Well, call me
I'm gonna
baby.
eat that number. So, like, literally, look at this. It's called homemade from scratch. And you can have this one. This was my third one.
No, it's not.
You have that looks so pretty. What did you use? He said don't put time in the yard.
He did.
Yes, you did.
Okay, what kind of that little bitty slime?
You're doing.
This look like galaxy slime,
I
y'all.
can't do galaxy slime. Guess what? Because I only have 2 blues. Can I dye one green? Huh?
I guess. You go get our blue baskets. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss on other videos. Deuces.
Can I get my bucket too? So I did a green surface.